Looking for a powerful, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly way to light up your outdoor space? This multifunctional solar LED light might be the perfect fit. Now just $4.99, down from $14.39. That's a huge 65% off. It features 100 high-brightness LEDs for maximum visibility. With a 270 degrees wide illumination angle, you'll light up more space than ever, perfect for porches, pathways, driveways, or patios. Thanks to advanced PIR motion detection, it senses movement up to 8 meters away within a 120 degrees range, responding instantly. Customize your lighting with 3 intelligent modes: medium light, dim with sensor, sensor only, and yes, it even turns off automatically when not needed. Worried about weather? No problem. It's IP65 waterproof and heatproof, built to last through storms, heat, or snow. Installation couldn't be easier. Just hang or screw it onto any sunny spot. Ready to upgrade your outdoor lighting for less than $5? Click the link in the description below to buy now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and deals.